Hello, I'm here with an unboxing. This is a little something I got from Galen Leather. Every once in a while, you get something so cool and so nice, you just want to savor unboxing it and taking a look at what you got. This thing arriving and seeing what's in here is almost as cool as having the thing itself. So first of all, with my order came this little pouch with some extras in it. Got a nice letter from Galen themselves, describing their process and their business. Got a little charm, coupon, some free Turkish coffee. I believe all Galen Leather is sourced from Turkey. Some tea. And this little keychain. Put that aside. So here in the box is this really nice printed box, cardboard. Inside is my order. I got another little goodie. This looks like a pen holder. Make good use of that. Just really nice light colored leather, well stitched and whatnot. Here's one of my other orders that came with this was this Kleid stationery notebook with this really fine, tiny Japanese grid. Really nice. I'm looking forward to making use of that. Here's the star of the show. This is a notebook holder. It's got this sleeve. This is just paper. So this is the large Moleskine size. It's in Crazy Horse Forest Green. It's a really nice green dye. There's some natural wear in there from the dye and the leather. It's got this a band for keeping clothes. I'm gonna open that up. It's really a supple leather. Handcrafted leather goods made by Yosef. So this size is meant for the large Moleskine. We're going to test that out. I got a bunch of stuff here. It also says it's supposed to fit an iPad. iPad mini, I should say. iPad mini can fit right in there. It's pretty snug, but it fits good. Here is an actual large Moleskine. That would fit nice. We've got pouches here for business cards. We've got a strap for the pens. Anything else you want to put in there? I don't know. A bunch of pens, whatnot. Hold that stuff down. Try some other notebooks that I got. Here's a same size Moleskine from Everything Dice. You can put this under this band. We can put it. Don't know if it would fit inside there. If you wanted to carry a spare, no, it doesn't look like it would fit. But you could put the back page back there if you wanted a little extra support. This would clearly have enough room for that. So here's a hardcover of the large Moleskine size. This is the 5.5 by I believe 7. Put all this stuff back in. Let's load it up. And put my trusty X-Acto knife in there. Some business cards. nice. I think myself, I would prefer it to lay flat. I might keep these separate. But yeah, this is a nice looking case. This is great. Holds that in real good. All right, hope you enjoyed taking a look.